Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day to everyone. I'm making this video is to help my friends who would like to use Mendeley to its full use. And then hopefully my sharing session today will benefit all of you who watch this video. Now, you have to open Mendeley using the website, and it's also best that you open up a Mendeley using your desktop, so you have both, so that whatever you have you can sync together. Okay, whatever document or files that you browse through the internet, research papers, you can easily put in under your mendeley.com. So if you're using your phone, you can simply just add into your Mendeley. But I believe now they don't have the mobile Mendeley, I think, because Mendeley is no longer standalone. It has been taken over by Elsevier. But let's say you have open your laptop, or your iPad, so you can immediately put inside your mendeley.com from your web. Okay, but then after that, when you wanted to cite, you can always open the desktop or your own laptop, then you can sync whatever from the website to your desktop. So it's very easy. It's very easy to use Mendeley. Okay, so because it's on cloud based, that is the internet, or as well as for your desktop. Okay, now let us have a look. This is the web. This is the desktop version. I'm going to show you how to use highlight and color as well as note. Okay, assuming this is the paper you want to read first, and you want to find materials, and there might be some materials here, there might also not be some materials. But before anything, just check, because you need to cite this paper. Okay, if it has good material. Okay, so it's best that you check the details, so that when you actually cite the paper, you cite it correctly. Okay, now this paper title, issues and challenges facing rice production and food security in the granary areas in the East Coast economic region. Is that the paper? Region okay, this is the real paper. East Economic Region, ECER, Malaysia. That is correct. And then next, you want to check the author. So just double click here. Okay, Chamhuri Siwar. Okay, Siwar, Chamhuri. Correct. Because you know, when there's nothing here. Okay, when there's nothing here, you have to type the surname. Look here, surname. Okay, or the last name, and then comma followed by the surname. So once you finish, you just enter. You put in all the author's name here. So just check Siwa Chamhuri, Nordiana Muhammad Idris. So Idris Nordiana Muhammad, Muhammad Yasar. So Yasar Muhammad, and then Ghulam Murshid. So is Murshid as the last name and Ghulam first name. Okay, journal. Research Journal of Applied Sciences, Engineering and Technology. Okay, year 2014 published. And then volume 7, is it correct? Volume 7. Okay, volume 7, issue 4. So the one in the bracket is issue. And then pages 711 to 722. So can we just have a look at 711, and then last one 722, correct? So if there is no abstract, you can always put in abstract. You can copy here, put in abstract. Okay, text, I will show you what is the useful of text later. So this is the author's keyword. Okay, and then if there is URL, if you extract from the internet, but since this PDF and every information here is here, so I don't think you need to put in the URL unless it is from the website. And unless it's a generic from the website. And then if there is DOI, and you can also put in ISSN number. Okay, this is the paper. So if it's all correct, then that's okay. So next. Let's say you are reading this paper. As you are reading, you found a good definition, good materials that you can actually cite later, or you can use it to enhance your paper. So you can highlight and put a note, and it can be used later. But I would like to suggest to you to use coding so that it will be easier. Those codes will be put inside the text. Okay, this is what I learned from a course which I actually attend. So definition is actually defined as D, and then I put in D1. Reason why 1 there is because if I just put D, when I wanted to search later, we never know that there might be some materials, the contents itself has D1. Okay, so D1 is too general. So let's say this research is about food security and flood disaster. So I wanted to find definition of food security, so I put it in as DFS. Okay, and then I put it as 1. In case there's also abbreviation of DFS, so I put in as 1 so that there will be no confusion. So these are all definition of food security utilization, food security accessibility, food security availability. These sort of codes you can create yourself. Okay, and then you can use color. Okay, I also use color, green color for theory, and then the blue color for features. Also I can put in chronology, if those materials involve processes, or if I found any strength in the paper or any weaknesses which can help for my writing. And let's say I found some methods on comparison, and I can also compare with between Australia and US. So I can just put it here, compare between US, and I put it 1, and then compare Australia, I also put in 1. So that when I wanted to find, I just type the search of CMUS1, and then if I found any finding, this one is FG1. Okay, so this is the coding, this is the color. Okay, if we can see coding, can we just find, just use one code. So DFS is defined food security. Okay, this is the paper. Can we just take one definition on food security? Any? Okay, there's one. The food security, the Food and Agricultural Organization define food security as a situation in which all households have both. Okay, then you highlight. How do you know you're highlighting the correct one? Click highlight here. Okay, click highlight here, highlight text, or highlight rectangle. So I use the highlight text. And then I use it yellow. You can also change it. You can right click here. You can change the color. Okay, you can change the color. But then since my coding here, I have used it like yellow for definition. So that is definition. I just maintain. Okay, and then after that, you can also change the color, or if you don't want yellow color, you can immediately change here green. But then because I'm using the coding yellow for definitions, I stick to yellow. And then it's best that I put a note, I tag here. Okay, and for yellow, okay, you can still change here if you want to have it purple, but it's best to keep same coding. So this is definition of food security. So definition food security 1. Okay, and then let's say I read some more, and then that's result. Okay, can we just use findings? Okay, this is gray, or we can find any challenges. WK1 challenges. WK1, which is red color. So let's say result discussion. Here, weedy rice constitute a threat to the rice production in Ketara area. So that one is a weaknesses or challenges. So what color is that? So the color is red. So we just highlight. So constitute 1. Why can't I highlight? Oh, I need to highlight. Okay. Okay. So there's note here. This one is, okay, double click WK1. So I like this part is actually a challenges. Okay, what else? What else? Okay, there's challenges here. Okay, increase in food price. Okay, food price rising, accelerated surge. Okay, they were sweet in food prices. So experience, so there's time period here. Okay, from 2008. So there were challenges as well. So you can add note here. So that one is WK1. Okay, what else? Okay, finish. We move on to the next paper. Okay, you can always check. We move on to the next paper. Issues, challenges. Okay, go on to this one. Okay, double check. Abstract, citation. Okay, correct. Okay. Okay. So you can always here. Delete, highlight. What is this? What did I put it here? FA1. What is FA? Oh, features. Okay. I'll put it here as features. Okay, before that, we look again at the issue challenges. So what sort of tagging did we do? What sort of highlighting did we do? So this one is DFS1. So we just tag here DFS1. What else? Okay, this one is WK1. So we just DFS1 semicolon WK1 semicolon. What next? Okay, this one also WK1. Okay, it's already put inside the text. Okay, next the food security. Okay, impact. What else here? Okay, this one is FA1. Can we just add in one definition? Okay, assuming okay, this is the definition. Just assume a definition. Okay, so color, change it to yellow, and then put a note. So DFS1. Okay, so we put tag here DFS1 colon. So what else here? Any other color? Okay, whatever. No, it's best that every time you highlight, you immediately put in the tagging. So this one is FA1. Is this correct? Okay, FA1. What else? Okay, we finish. Okay, now how to search? Now we have read so many, and we wanted now it's time for us to write or take all the information. So how to find? Okay, so just search. We know we are looking for definition. So DFS1. So you can see that DFS1 appears in two papers. So simply just click this paper. Okay, and then we know the tag. Okay, you just find tag 1. Okay, tag. Oh, no matches. What is it now? Tag. Okay, so it's there. Okay.